Get ready with me to do a shimmery eye look. I'm going in with a brown eyeliner from Dicscount Cosmetics and then this ultra matte gel liner in the shade Spliff. I want something green, so I'm going to go in with this Cosette mini palette. This is their Crystal Cream Shadow, and I'm going to go in with this green shade here. I saw Kayla do a green look, and I'm like, I think this might be really nice with green. Oh my goodness. Please tell me they have this in orange for Halloween. Dang it, no they don't. Maybe that, and then I could put like an orange press shimmer. Let me bring it a little higher. Okay, I have this gorgeous green shimmery shade from Odenseye. This is in the shade Ingrid. I'm gonna take it on my finger. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's see what this is giving. I literally just transformed it, you guys, into something like, I almost feel like a snake. Oh, thank you, Kayla, for being my inspo. Because I saw your green look. I was like, I need to do green. That's pretty. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm going to take the shade. I literally need to get a magnetic palette to put my singles in. This is in the shade Lola. She did not break. Thank goodness. So I'm just going to put this here. Yeah, that's what we needed. I am not using any glitter primer or anything. Look at the shift of colors. This is what it looks like on my finger, and I'm just gonna really focus this in this inner corner. That shift is so gorgeous, y'all. I didn't realize how many green shades I have from Odenseye that I could potentially use. Like, these are all the greens, and I think I'm gonna go in with this one. It looks like this. Wait, that's not darker, is it? Hold on a minute. No, I don't think that's what we need. Maybe for underneath, like under our eye. All right, so I'm gonna go under the eye with this color. Get into it. Now I'm gonna go in with this gorgeous silver shade in Samuel. Yep, that's what I needed. Okay, let me spray my brush. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is like the most chaotic tutorial I've done in a really long time. You hear my kids in the background. I'm dropping things. I'm changing the camera angles. I'm so sorry. That's what it looks like. Just gonna go one more time. I feel like I look like a Christmas tree. Yeah, I feel like I look like a Christmas tree. I'm trying to clean off all this mess on my hands. That's that Melt Cosmetics pot liner, you guys. It is not coming off. Okay, I want something really funky in my waterline, so I went ahead and swatched some pencils. This is from Moira Cosmetics. This is in the shade Phoenix. And I go in this inner part. Now I'm gonna be going in with the shade Flare, and it looks like this. I feel like we're missing something, so I'm gonna go in with this Moira Precision Liquid Liner in 01 Black. One thing about Moira, they have everything. This is their micro tip liquid liner in 01 Black. This is super micro. So the difference, I'm gonna show you. Look at that micro tip. This one I like to use for like the outer part, and then this I like to do inner. The little difference, it's a little bit more sultrier now that I've added the black. I feel like when you put liner all over the lid, it does something that I don't like, especially for my small eyes. So I put it here and at the end. I'm not the best, so don't judge, but that's what I did. Q-tips on deck, y'all, because I be watering when I do my makeup. I think I just took a little bit of it off, but yikes. I feel like I need something else, like... Here's the finished look. I went outside, got some clips, then I went back inside and I did a little posy pose. Let me know what color I should do next. Bye!